Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust key assignments for Corsair Nightsword. And to do this you will need to download iCUE app from Corsair website. Here in the home you should be able to find key assignments on your mouse. Click on them. Then you'll be able to click on this plus button to add new assignments, so let's do that. And now we can remap keyboard, so you can assign any keyboard keys, language keys, mouse buttons, keystrokes. You can insert the text with macro, control media, launch a specific app with one click of a button, disable button at all, or switch profiles. You can also start recording macro, and I recommend you to watch our next video on how to manage or create macros on this mouse. Now let's go for the keyboard button, and we want to select A, and then you can assign a specific key on your mouse. So as I mentioned, we want to go for this one, so click on it and it will add the button to this specific function. Now I don't think we need to save anything here, so let's go and open any text and try to press on this button, and yep, it works as A on our keyboard now.